Hello, come in everybody. We got a repair review on Bill River Rats 550V-HG-2-in-1. That's the bad thing about 2-in-1. He was running his high power drive radio, he got excited, kicked on his 2-pill, and y'all know the rest of the story. What happened? He forgot which one he was running. He blew the pill. Which is alright. We'll start out looking at our 2-pill section first. Regular radio drive. We'll look at reflex to start with. Worldwide. Input SWR, worldwide. Output power, PP, regular radio drive, worldwide. Show over 200 peak. Hello audio, worldwide. Now put a little pad in this to give you a little more leniency on your deck key and make it run a little better for you. But we lost just a little bit on my 2-pill, but nothing to worry about. Worldwide. Now that's in regular mode. And my deck key way too low. There we go, that's closer. Worldwide. Now we're gonna go to comp mode. Let's reset my deck key. Close up there. Worldwide. Comp mode, you see what it's doing? Worldwide. There's your bird. Worldwide. Okay. Alright. I'm going to turn it back off. I'm going to turn the 4-pill on. Regular radio mode, 4-pill. Worldwide by itself. Or 4-pill by itself. Worldwide. Alright. We're going to turn on top mode and 4-pill just for kicks. Worldwide. Let's get on down right there. Worldwide. Hello, audio. Alright, of course that radio's hot. Top mode. We're going to go on our 2x4. This is 2x4 mode. The radio mode, regular mode. 2x4 regular radio, 1001 PP. Worldwide. 990. 5-watt reverse. Worldwide. We're watt and a half. You can tell the deck key's low. Let's put some deck key up here on the board. Worldwide. This regular radio, 2x4 mode. Get on down. Worldwide. I did see it jump up to 1,000 more ago. Worldwide. There you go. Worldwide. Right, just for kicks, for fun and games, turn on the comp mode, show you all the difference in what the radio makes them do. So deck key. You have 100 watts, so it's going to carry. Be careful. Go ahead and set it right there. Comp mode. Worldwide. It's killing 1,000 now. Audio. Comp mode. It jumps up there high on the peaks. But hello, 1, 2, worldwide. We got a little more reflex coming back. But there she is. She's all fixed and repaired for you, man. Go back to radio drive. Regular radio drive. 1, 2, worldwide. She ought to be good to go. Just want to do this little test review, show you she's up and running. Stomper 550V-HG-2x4 2-in-1. Remember to watch your deck keys, man. Alright folks, thanks for watching the video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to 018 catch you later. Bye-bye.